Hello, my friend. Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that the way you spend the next 24 hours could completely change your life? Sounds dramatic? Maybe, but it's also true. You have 24 hours, just like everyone else. Think about this. You, me, Elon Musk, Serena Williams, your favorite musician, your neighbor, the president. We all wake up each day with the exact same resource, 24 hours. That's 1,440 minutes, 86,400 seconds. And yet, some people use this time to build legacies, master skills, create beauty, and leave an impact, while others barely make it to the next day, feeling like they've accomplished anything. The truth? It's not how much time you have. It's how you use it. This article isn't just another motivational pep talk. It's a wake-up call, a battle plan, a map that shows you exactly how to stop wasting your most precious resource and start using your time like the most successful, inspired, and focused people on Earth. If you're tired of saying, "I don't have time," and ready to say, "I choose how to live," keep reading. This might just be the most important 10 minutes of your life, because what you do with the next 24 hours can change everything. 1. Plan tomorrow before you sleep tonight. One of the most powerful time mastery habits is also one of the simplest. Plan your next day the night before. Before you go to bed, take 5 minutes to ask yourself, what are the 3 most important things I must do tomorrow? What time will I wake up? When will I work, rest, move, and learn? This isn't just about making to-do lists. It's about giving your day direction before it even begins. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Instead of waking up and reacting to the world, you become the architect of your time. Example: Sarah, an English learner from Brazil, used to waste her mornings scrolling on her phone. After committing to 5-minute night planning, she now wakes up knowing exactly what lesson she'll review, which video she'll shadow, and when she'll take a walk to repeat English phrases out loud. Her confidence and fluency skyrocketed. 2. Own the first hour like a warrior. The way you start your morning determines your momentum for the entire day. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Successful people treat the first hour of the day as sacred. No phones, no emails, just clarity, movement, and energy. Drink water, stretch or walk, reflect or write, review your mission or goals. Speak powerful affirmations aloud. Win the morning, win the day. Tim Ferriss. Example: Tuan, a Vietnamese student preparing for the IELTS exam, used to sleep late and wake up groggy. Now, his mornings start with a 10-minute walk while listening to English podcasts, followed by reviewing his top vocabulary flashcards. His band score went from 5.5 to 7 in just 3 months. 3. Break time into energy blocks, not tasks. Most people plan their day around tasks, but high performers plan around energy. Ask yourself, when do I feel most focused? When do I usually crash? What drains me? What fuels me? Divide your day into 3 to 5 blocks. Deep work, 2 to 3 hours of focus. Light work, emails, admin chores. Recharge, walks, rest, meals. Practice, learning, creativity, speaking. Bonus tip: put your English practice during your high-energy window. Shadowing when your brain is sharp can double your attention. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Stephen Covey. 4. Learn to say no without guilt. Every yes to something is a no to something else. You can't do it all, and you're not supposed to. Time mastery isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is. Practice this. Thank you, but I can't commit right now. I appreciate the offer, but I need to focus on my goals this week. Sound great, but I have a different priority. The difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. Warren Buffett. 5. Turn dead time into power time. Waiting in line, sitting in traffic, washing dishes. These moments feel like nothing, but added together, they can equal hours per week. Use them. Listen to English podcasts. Repeat key phrases aloud. Review vocabulary flashcards. Practice breathing and pronunciation. Example: Maya, a mother of two in India, practices English while cooking. She repeats phrases from her lessons as she stirs or chops. That habit alone helped her become conversational in 6 months. 6. Track how you actually spend your time. You think you're busy, but are you really? Try this challenge. For 2 days, write down how you spend each hour. No judgment, just awareness. You'll likely discover 2+ hours scrolling, 1+ hour watching things you don't even enjoy, random gaps of lost time. Awareness is power. Once you see the leaks, you can fix them. What gets measured gets managed. Peter Drucker. 7. Use the rule of 3. Every day, ask yourself, what 3 things will make today a win? Not 10, not 20, just 3. One might be health-related. One might be career or study. One might be personal, family, rest, journaling. This forces clarity. If you finish those 3, the day is a win, no matter what else happens. Example, Lynn, a working professional learning English at night, uses this rule daily. Review 20 flashcards. Shadow 1 video. Sleep by 10:30 p.m. No more overwhelm. Just consistent progress. 8. Batch the boring stuff. Don't let small tasks destroy your flow. Instead, batch them. Check emails twice a day, not constantly. Do chores in a 30-minute sprint. Group errands together. Batching clears mental space. It also protects your peak hours for meaningful work, like English practice, creative writing, or business growth. Being busy is a form of laziness, lazy thinking and indiscriminate action. Tim Ferriss. 9. Make your environment work for you. Your space either supports your goals or sabotages them. Design your surroundings to make good choices automatic. Put your English notebook on your pillow. You'll see it before bed. Block distracting apps during your study window. Place headphones next to your toothbrush. Listen while brushing. Small shifts lead to big consistency. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. James Clear. 10. Repeat a great day until it becomes your great life. You don't need a perfect life. You need one great day, repeated. Build a day that fuels you, inspires you, challenges you, then repeat it. Wake up with clarity. Move your body. Practice your voice and language. Eat real food. Avoid energy vampires. Reflect before you sleep. Your future is not built in a day, but it is built daily. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Jim Rohn. Final words, you're not too busy. You're just unfocused. If you've read this far, I know one thing about you. You're serious about growth. You want more from your life, and you're willing to look honestly at your habits. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, apply just 3 of these strategies. Any 3. Track how you feel, what changes, what you notice. You'll be shocked how different life looks when you stop drifting and start choosing. Because in the end, your time is your life. And once you master your 24 hours, you master everything. Let today be the start. So, how will you use your next 24 hours? Will you waste them, or will you rise? The choice is always yours. But now you can no longer say, I didn't know how. Now you do. And if this message spoke to you, even just one line, then don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Subscribe to Tales English. Because someone out there, maybe your friend, your brother, your younger self, needs to hear this too. Together, let's build a world where we stop saying someday and start living today.